In today's video, we're soaring to new heights as we explore the top 5 drones that redefine what's possible in aerial photography, videography, and exploration. These cutting-edge devices are engineered for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering an incredible blend of performance, versatility, and ease of use. With advanced stabilization systems, ultra-high-definition cameras, and intelligent flight modes, these drones make capturing smooth, cinematic shots effortless, even for beginners. They also boast innovative features like obstacle avoidance technology, extended battery life, and precise GPS tracking, ensuring safer and more controlled flights. Some even offer specialized modes for creating stunning panoramic images, automated tracking of subjects, and seamless connectivity to your devices for live streaming and instant sharing. Whether you're a filmmaker capturing breathtaking landscapes, a traveler documenting unique perspectives, or a tech enthusiast seeking thrilling aerial adventures, these drones provide endless possibilities. Join us as we dive deep into the features, performance, and benefits of these exceptional drones, helping you choose the perfect one to elevate your creative projects and adventures to new heights. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Capture professional-grade footage with ease. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo offers top-tier performance for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. It comes with a triple camera system, featuring a 4 and 3 CMOS Hasselblad camera that captures stunning, high-quality images and videos with incredible detail and color accuracy. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or high-action scenes, the camera excels. The 15-kilometer video transmission range allows you to explore far and wide, while the included 3 batteries and charging hub ensure you can stay in the air longer and quickly recharge between flights. Plus, the drone is FAA Remote ID compliant, which keeps you safe and in line with regulations. With its exceptional camera system, reliable flight time, and smooth performance, the Mavic 3 Pro is designed to help you capture professional-grade footage with ease. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. Perfect tool to help you capture it all. The DJI Mavic 3 Fly More Combo is an advanced drone designed for creators and professionals. It features a powerful 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera that captures stunning 5.1K video with exceptional clarity and color accuracy. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the drone can detect objects in every direction, ensuring safer flights. The 46-minute flight time lets you cover more ground and capture more footage without constantly worrying about battery life. The package includes 2 extra batteries for longer flight sessions, and the advanced auto-return feature ensures the drone safely returns to you if it loses signal or runs low on battery. Number 3. DJI Air 3. An unforgettable flying experience. The DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo is an exceptional drone equipped with dual primary cameras, offering high-quality 4K video and 48-megapixel photos. This camera drone is designed for adults, delivering outstanding imaging performance for both beginners and experienced pilots. The dual primary cameras provide versatility with different focal lengths, ensuring you can capture a variety of shots with incredible detail and clarity. With 3 included batteries, you can enjoy extended flight time, allowing you to capture more footage without interruptions. The drone also features an intuitive RCN2 remote controller, ensuring seamless control and smooth operation. Plus, it is FAA Remote ID compliant, keeping you within legal flying regulations. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro, keeping your flying experience simple. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is an ideal drone for both beginners and experienced pilots. It comes with a DJI RC2 remote controller for precise and intuitive control. Equipped with a powerful 4K camera, this drone allows you to capture stunning aerial footage with incredible clarity. The Fly More Combo Plus includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, offering up to 135 minutes of total flight time, allowing you to spend more time in the air and capture more moments. With smart return to home functionality, the drone can automatically return to its takeoff point for added safety, making it a great choice for those new to drone flying. Compact, lightweight, and easy to fly, The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the perfect companion for capturing breathtaking aerial shots while keeping your flying experience simple and enjoyable. Number 5. DJI Mavic 2. Zoom, precision for all your aerial photography needs. The DJI Mavic 2. Zoom is a high-performance drone designed for capturing stunning aerial footage with advanced features. It boasts an optical zoom camera with a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth, stable shots even in motion. The drone is equipped with a 12-megapixel camera on a 1/2.23-inch CMOS sensor, allowing you to capture detailed photos and 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. With its impressive zoom capabilities, you can get closer to your subject without compromising image quality, perfect for both professional photographers and hobbyists. The Mavic 2 Zoom also reaches speeds of up to 48 miles per hour, making it ideal for fast-moving subjects or capturing dynamic shots.